I want to talk about soaps, real soap and cleaning agents. Cleaning agents are not soaps, they are not real soaps, but we call them soap in this part of the world, okay? Now today you will know the difference. The difference is that natural soaps are made with oils, butters, clays, natural colors, and either potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide for bar soaps, potassium hydroxide for liquid soap. Now this liquid soap is not a multi-purpose liquid soap. I'm talking about the natural liquid soap. That's one you will cook it. Potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, they are all caustic. Sodium hydroxide used for bar soaps, potassium hydroxide used for soft soap or liquid soap. Now, cleaning agents. Cleaning agents that we call soap in this part of the world are not really soaps because they don't have just oils, butters, natural colors in them. They have chemicals such as SLS, diazepam, sulfonic acid, silicate, carbon, and all those things. They are not, to be added. But why are we adding them? Why are we adding them in this part of the world? Because to get the oils is very expensive. To get these butters like shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, it's very expensive. So if you make soap with those things, when you want to sell it, most people cannot afford it. So what we do is we add these other ones. Most people do. Most times I don't do that. We add these chemicals to increase the quantity of the soap so we can sell the soap to people in a very cheap price. So those chemicals are to boost the quantity of the soap. And those chemicals, most of them are just surfactants. They make the soap to lather very well and then increase the quantity of the soap. But if you want to make natural soap, you just to make it with oil, butters, and the caustic, it will still lather very well. But can we afford it? Or if we want to sell it, can people really afford it at that price? That's why people use chemicals to do soap. But I will advise you, if you want to use that soap on your skin, please try as much as you can to go for the natural soap and not the cleaning agents. Thank you. Please, if you have questions, you can ask. And don't forget to do the needful. Just like and subscribe. Thank you. Love you.